What's up? Today, I'm going to show you a guide on how to fix audio that's not working, or if there are other sound problems. The first step is to click on the sound icon. Then select a sound output. Now, choose the sound device that you're currently using. After that, restart your computer. If that didn't work, right-click on the sound icon and open the volume mixer. Reset the volume of the application you're using. Then close the window. Right-click the sound icon again. And click on Sound Settings. Choose the sound device you're currently using. Check the volume settings in Windows. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Here, deactivate any sound devices that are not currently in use. Right-click on the device you're using. Select Set as Default Device, if it hasn't already been set. Then click on Configure. Complete the setup. And click Finish. Now click on Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. And check Disable all enhancements. Click Apply. Then go to the Advanced tab. Try selecting both DVD quality and CD quality settings. Now go to the Spatial Sound tab. And turn it off. Click Apply, and then OK. Restart your computer. If that still didn't work, click on the search box and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on the sound device you're currently using. And click Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the correct model and click Next. Wait for the update to finish. Click Close. Then close Device Manager. And restart your computer. If the issue still isn't fixed, use the sound troubleshooter built into your system.